Hi there, my name is Heather Wickstrom and I'm going to be your beauty bestie. I'm going to work with you to get you through your first 30 days. So we're going to dive in, and the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is to print out your Beauty Consultant Go Kit. Okay, I have been working with other leaders in our company, and we've come up with this really great kit to get you off to the best start you can get. We want you to be able to take advantage of all the product bonuses, all the cash bonuses, and all the opportunities that you can in your first 30 days. Sound good? Okay. So first thing we're going to do is, this is my contact information. I am going to send you my schedule, and go ahead and set up your orientation with me on my calendar, and then go ahead and set up your launch party, your virtual launch party. Okay, those are the two things that we need to take care of really quickly. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to fill this out. This is 50 contacts. 50 contacts. Yes, you know that many people. Just kind of go through your phone. Who is the last people that you texted? Who have you been communicating with in personal messages? Who do you follow on Instagram? I mean, who do you work with? You can come up with a list of at least 50, and then you can use the back and keep going. Okay, the more people that you have on your contact list initially, the better off you're going to be. Okay, you're also going to want to circle your 6 favorite people. Okay, 6, could be 10, but let's start with 6. All right, we're going to set up your social, which you're going to want to download the Voxer app and find me. And then you're going to set up your Personal Mary Kay website. You're going to start following the hashtag MyMKLife on Instagram. And then I want to encourage you to follow me and to follow some of these other top leaders in our company, just so that you get a vibe for things to post and how to post, and really kind of how to work your social media angle. Okay. And then the next thing I want you to do is get added to our unit area Facebook group. Okay. And then the next thing we're going to do is you're going to have a goal in your first 30 days. Your first goal is to sell 10 miracle sets. Isn't that crazy? It's going to be awesome. That's going to put $550 in profit into your bank account. Okay, get excited about that. Our goal is for you to sell product. Our goal is for you to get as much free product as you can from the company in your first 30 days. Okay, so time is of essence. You join the company to make more money, to add income, to pay off debt, to whatever it is that you join this company for. So go ahead and get started now so that you can start capitalizing on your time and making that passive income. Okay, we've included the text that you're going to text to your peeps. Okay, so seriously, it's hey Maria, it's Leah, how are you? Would you be willing to help me with something? And then this is it. And you're going to schedule your first faces, okay, in order to do that. As a new consultant, you can purchase it's like a sampler kit. I can't remember how much it is, but you want to make sure that you've gotten that and get your samples and get enough samples to do anywhere from 10 to 30 beauty bags, okay? The Miracle Set samples, I would do Miracle Set, charcoal mask, and microdermabrasion samples, and put together like 30 of those, okay? And just keep it simple. Just keep it simple. But you're going to use this script. Seriously, do not change any words. Just use that script. All right. Then we're going to move on to our besties coupons. And you're in Mary Kay, you're in a very unique position to where you can offer a discount to your first 3 consultants that join your team. Okay, so it's going to be really important that we work on this together, and that's something that we're going to actually do through in your launch party. We're going to mention that, and we're going to mention that in your first appointments, okay, to get you trained. So you're going to want to share with 10 people, and it can be 10 people off of that first list. Okay, it could be, I mean, and it's just very simple. It's, hey girl, listen, this is what I'm doing and I'm so excited about it. I'm looking for people who want to join my team and make an unlimited amount of income. Would you like to join me? I mean, that's literally all it is, okay? It's their decision. When you are building your customer base, and when you build up to 50 customers and you add 3 team members, you still have 47 customers left. It's so exciting because not everyone wants to join, but you never know who's going to say yes. All right, and so then we're gonna do a go share. Okay, so when you get your first appointments booked, I want you to go ahead and say, I'm so excited that we're getting together on Thursday or whatever day it is. And one more quick question, I need to do practice sharing in the Mary Kay story with my sales director. And so then you're gonna work with me, you're gonna tell me when your appointments are, and we're gonna do a 10-minute quick share after your appointment. How simple is that? How simple is that? So that's really all there is to it. So your next steps, honestly, are to set up your launch party with me and to set up your orientation with me, okay? So I look forward to hearing from you, and I look forward to conquering your, conquering your mountain and getting cash in your pocket and playing makeup with you. So let's get this going.